Today's video is all about playing licks in between your chords. So first of all, I'm just going to state some very obvious things. These go without saying, but I'm going to say them anyway. To be able to play your licks really well in between chords, you're going to want to have your chord progression down really solidly. You're going to want to be able to transition into your chords really quickly, because obviously if we're playing licks in between these chords, then we're not going to have very much time to transition into our chords. And also, you're going to want to be able to play your scale that you're using really fluidly. You are going to want to go up and down it with relative ease and fluidity. Now, today's chord progression is B minor, G, D, and A. So give it a go. This is the kind of rhythm we're going for. So really just get those chords down before continuing the video. Now the scale that we're going to be using is the B minor pentatonic scale. So this is how you play it. Now the most important thing when creating licks in between your chords is to really maintain the feel of the chord progression and the groove of whatever you're playing. So as I previously played, that's the kind of groove we're going for. So now we're going to try and maintain that groove, but with like one note. So try that, then try doing two notes. So and then you can try three notes and try and maintain the groove with those three notes. So and then maybe four, and then five, and then so on. So that is the most important part about creating licks in between your chords, is maintaining that groove and the feel. Because if I was to play something that didn't have the same groove and feel, you'd instantly notice and it wouldn't sound very good, like this. It really makes a big difference. Now another good thing is to have some licks that you have just in your tool belt ready to go. So I really like this one. And you can try playing that lick in between each chord. So and obviously you're not going to want to play the same lick over and over again, so you might want to modify the lick every single time you play it, just a little bit. So something like that. Now, something we are going to encounter when we do that though, is that we are playing in one place, but the chords are all in different places. So we want to be able to maneuver across different shapes of our pentatonic scale. And rather than just using the standard 5 shapes that you know of the pentatonic scale, I like to create different patterns that allow us to transition between these shapes really smoothly. So there was me playing the pentatonic scale, but using a pattern that allows me to just transition across the fretboard really smoothly and effortlessly. So if I was playing the G to the D, which is the 10th fret to the 5th fret, I could use that pattern to transition from something up here at the 10th fret all the way down to the 5th fret. Like that. So let me show you that shape. This is a really good one for the B minor pentatonic scale. We're going to be playing 5-7 on the low E string, and then 5-7-9 on the A string. And And basically we're just repeating that shape, but an octave higher. So we're going to be playing 7-9 on the D string, and then 7-9-11 on the G string. And then the same thing again, repeating it an octave higher, 10-12 on the B string, and then 10-12-14 on the high E string. And it allows you to really smoothly transition between shapes. For example, if I want to move from my A chord into my B minor chord, I'm going to be playing something down here at the 5th fret, and I want to transition up to the 7th fret. I could just stop halfway. I'm around the same area as my B minor chord, ready to go for that. So you want to be able to kind of think of what chord is coming next and how you can move from where you are in the fretboard to where the next chord is in the chord progression, because that will make your chord changes a lot easier, and it will make your licks make a lot more sense as well, as it seems like they're leading into the next chord. So experiment with those tips that I've given you. There's quite a lot there. If you want to see more advanced kind of stuff, then let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well. And if you're looking to make some really cool chord progressions that sound really awesome and sophisticated, head to the description and grab the first 2 chapters of my book, Chord Charisma, for free, and you'll learn a lot about making chord progressions in that. I'll see you in the next video.